Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a complete vocal warm-up routine designed for all singers of all levels. This vocal routine is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a daily warm-up to prepare their voice before singing. So go ahead, like this video so you can come back and practice with me again, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups like this. You can also check out my Spotify to get access to more vocal exercises. Let's begin with the first exercise, lip trills. Five notes up and down. Nice work. Keep going. Great. Back down. Nice and easy. A couple more. Nice work. Vocal exercise number 2, humming. Follow along. Nice work. Keep going. Good job. A couple more. Next exercise, we're going to sing V sound on a vocal slide on a fifth. A vocal slide on a fifth. Follow along. A great exercise for breath control. Nice work. Nice. Let's sing Mia, Mia, Mia. Mia, 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 Mia. Mia, 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 Mia. Nice work. Mia, 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 Mia. Mia, 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 Mia. Very nice. A couple more. Mia, 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 Mia. Great job so far. Next up, we're gonna be singing V on 5 descending notes. V, 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 V. Very nice. Keep going. V, 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 V. A few more. V, 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 V. V, 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 V. Well done. Next exercise, we're going to sing the word hung. Hold the NG at the end. Hung. It sounds like this. Hung. Follow along. Hung. Great. Very nice. Relax your jaw. Feel the buzz. One more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I would like to thank you so much for following along with me today. I hope you will come back soon and let me guide you through more vocal exercises. You can always subscribe to my channel, favorite this video so you can come back and practice with me this week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.